to accounting. Okay, you have to write this numerical, then we will solve it. A division or B division? तुम्ही B division चेच आहात ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हो मॅडम.
बघा ग्रुप वरती मी टाकलाय. All of you write the numerical, okay? Then we will start answer. Okay. The screen is visible to all. The screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Okay. Just see the numerical. That is the following where the transaction of Mahipal Nagpal, Usmanabad for April 2019. That means we have to write journal of or in the books of Mahipal Nagpal, Usmanabad for April 2019. In that the first transaction will be first started a business with furniture of rupees 15,000 and machinery of rupees 35,000. Okay, this numerical हे numerical मी A divisionचं ऑलरेडी घेतलेलं आहे म्हणून मी ते सॉल्व केलेलं आहे. ओके, हे न्यूमरिकल तुमचं घ्यायचं राहिलेलं आहे. When the word comes from started a business, that means Mahipal Nagpal is a proprietor of business. Am I right? Mahipal Nagpal कौन आहे? Proprietor of the business. Therefore, it is a Mahipal Nagpal capital account. And starting furniture and machinery where comes under the business. Therefore, these assets are come under the business. Therefore, we have given them debit balance. As you know, you have to mention in the books of Mahipal Nagpal Usmanabad for April 2019, and in middle you have to write journal and prepare a column of debt particulars, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. In that 1st April 2019, first transactions will be taken. That is started a business with furniture and machinery. Therefore, the entry will be the furniture account debited 15,000, machinery account debited 15,000. sorry, 35,000. And who will be the investment, or who will be the investor? That is the Mahipal capital account. Proprietor and capital is the separate account. Therefore, to Mahipal capital account has a credit balance. And total of these, which is 15,000 plus 35,000, is equal to 50,000. Therefore, the narration will be being started a business with furniture and machinery. Okay, is it clear to all? First entry clear आहे का? Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will continue with the next type of transaction. बघा next काय झालेलं आहे? Bank of ₹25,000. म्हणजे जो महिपाल आहे त्यांनी कॅनरा बँकेमधून 24,000 कॅश घेतलेली आहे. मग इथे मेन्शन केलंय का रे महिपाल हा कॅनरा बँकेचा जावई आहे असं मेन्शन केलंय का? नाही. That means Mahipal taken a loan from Canara Bank. Am I right? महिपालने काय केलेलं आहे? कॅनरा बँकेकडनं लोन घेतलेलं आहे. बरोबर आहे का? Yes.
मैम आप मैं पढ़ा सकती हैं मैम?
Yes.
हेलो मैम. मैम प्लीज आप टॉक इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी मैम. I do not
Yes,
understand मैम.
Do you understand English?
मैम no, not so much मैम.
Not so much. Okay. Yes. In the second journal, transaction will be borrowed from Canara Bank of ₹24,000. That means Mahipal have taken a loan from Canara Bank. And therefore, when the loan is taken by the proprietor, at that time, loan always give the credit balance. Loan la nehmi apan काय देतो? Credit balance. Okay, loan has only credit balance. Therefore, the entry will be in the books of business. Business मध्ये in the books of business, cash comes in. बरोबर की नाही? Cash comes in 24,000. Therefore, the cash account has given a debit balance, and to Canara Bank loan account 24,000. Therefore, the narration will be being borrowed loan from Canara Bank. Is it clear to all? Second transaction?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it clear to all? Second transaction? Okay, then
Yes.
we will.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then we will move on the third transaction. On the 7th April 2019, third transaction will be brought goods of ₹5,000 at 2% cash discount. The word bought means what? Means purchase. And when there is a purchase have always debit balance. Purchase ला काय असतो नेहमी? Debit balance. लगेच डोक्यामध्ये ट्यूब पेटली पाहिजे. Okay? Therefore, purchase account debited. But here the mention at 2% cash discount. 2% cash discount means what? बघा नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा. There are basically two types of discount: cash discount and trade discount. Okay, in a particular transaction there is a cash discount at 2%. Therefore, purchase account debited 5,000 will be there. जर तुम्हाला कॅश डिस्काउंट मिळालेला आहे 2%, at that time you have to mention in that is 5,000 into 2%. How many it is? 5,000 वरती 2%. किती रे?
100.
It is 100. Okay. Therefore, 5,000 minus 100 is equal to 4,900 cash will be taken. Therefore, purchase account debited 5,000 to cash account. Actual cash will be 4,900 and discount received for 2%, which is 100. Always remember, when there is a discount account, at that time it has always give credit balance. जेव्हा आपण डिस्काउंट रिसीव केला जातो त्या डिस्काउंट रिसीवला काय असतो क्रेडिट बॅलन्स असतो. यू हॅव टू राईट these important trick in top of your notebook. काय लिहायचं तुम्हाला डिस्काउंट रिसीव इज इक्वल टू क्रेडिट बॅलन्स. ओके, therefore the transaction will be, therefore the narration will be being bought goods with cash discount at 2%. Is it clear to all? 7th April transaction clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move on. 10th April, that is sold goods of rupees 6,200 to Manoj on credit. At that time, sold, the word sold comes, that means it has a sales goods, and sales always credit balance. Sales always credit balance. By whom two goods are sold? किसको गुड्स सोल्ड किए गए हैं? मनोज को. Therefore Manoj is a personal account and Manoj account is a debit balance. Okay, that is 6,200 and to sales account. There being sold goods to Manoj on credit. Okay, is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay. जब मेरा ये लेक्चर खत्म हो जाएगा तब मैं इसका आंसर ग्रुप पे सेंड करने वाली हूँ. ओके, सो बी कॉन्सेंट्रेट ओनली. अभी के लिए सिर्फ लो कि क्या क्या चल रहा है. ओके, दैट इज द पेड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल ऑन 17 April 2019. Paid electricity bill of rupees 750. When the paid word comes, at that time you have to mention the expenses account in debit balance. Okay, and these expenses paid in cash. Therefore electricity charges account debited to cash account. As simple as that. जब भी कभी पेड शब्द आएगा तब आपको जो एक्सपेंसेस है, लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस, टेलीफोन चार्जेस, any kind of charges will be have a debit balance in terms of cash. Therefore cash ला काय देणार आहोत आपण? Credit balance. Therefore being paid electricity bill by cash is a narration. Is that clear? Is that clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
17 पर्यंत समजलंय ट्रान्झॅक्शन सगळ्यांना? Okay, then we will move on the next, which is 19 April. 19 April 2019, there will be one of the transaction which is received from Manoj of rupees 6,000 in full settlement of his account of rupees 6,200. At that time we give discount to Manoj. बरोबर की नाही? आपण काय केलेलं आहे? डिस्काउंट दिलेला आहे. आपण म्हणजे कोण आहोत? द बिझनेसमॅन, the business or the person who started a business, and we are mentioned the transaction in the books of account. Therefore we think that we are a businessman and we have give to the discount. Therefore cash account debit. How many cash will be there? That is the 6,000 cash. And discount allowed is, discount allowed has also debit balance. Always remember, जेव्हा कधी डिस्काउंट अलाउड केलं जातं तेव्हा काय दिला जातो? डेबिट बॅलन्स. and you have to know that when discount receive is there and discount receive has always credit balance and discount allowed has always debit balance. Therefore discount allowed, आपण किती डिस्काउंट दिलाय? It has to give 200 discount. Therefore discount allowed account 200 to Manoj account, it can be a 6,200. Therefore, the narration will be being cash discount allowed to Manoj account. Is that clear to all? Yes, is that clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, then we will move on the next transaction. Only 43 participant is there. काय झालंय first year? And on the date of 22, paid insurance premium on business property of rupees 1,500 and for proprietor's life of rupees 1,000. Okay, when the word come paid, जेव्हा आपण पेड शब्द येतो तेव्हा मी तुम्हाला आत्ताच सांगितलं होतं की काय करायचंय, कुठले एक्सपेन्सेस पेड केलेले आहेत, insurance premium. Therefore, we have given a debit balance to insurance premium. Insurance premium account debited how many rupees, which will be the 1,500. Okay, then the proprietor's life premium is a personal drawing of that proprietor, and personal drawing expenses have always a debit balance. Therefore, it is Mahipal drawing account debited. And to cash का बरं, कारण आपण कशा स्वरूपामध्ये ते पेमेंट करतोय, in terms of cash. Therefore, cash goes out from the business. Therefore, cash has a credit balance. Therefore, the entry will be the insurance premium account debit 1,500, Mahipal drawing account debited 1,000, and to cash account total of these, which is 2,500. And being narration will be being insurance premium paid by cash. Okay, is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, उगत समजतंय म्हणून yes म्हणू नका. Okay, then we will move on the next. झाले का 22 पर्यंतच आहे का? आहे ना. नेक्स्ट, receive rupees 500 as interest. Receive rupees 500 as interest on investment. Okay. Okay, I will share you the answer of this numerical. Then it will be easy to understand. Okay. On the date of 25th, receive rupees 500 as interest on investment. Therefore, the entry will be the cash account debited to interest on investment account. Cash account debited to interest on investment account. जे उरलेलं आहे ते तुम्ही लिहिताल का रे? मी तुम्हाला शेअर पण केलेलं आहे.
ओके मॅम.
ओके. उद्याच्या लेक्चरला असं नाही होणार. उद्याच्या लेक्चरला मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी न्यूमरिकल सेंड करेल आणि त्याचा आन्सर आपण इथे घेऊया.
मॅम ऑफलाईन कॉलेज कधी चालू होणार आहे?
ऑफलाईन कॉलेज या महिन्याच्या लास्ट वीक मध्ये सुरू होईल.
हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हा मॅम, म्हणलं भरपूर जणांना आहे ना जॉईन होता येत नाही मीटिंगला आपल्या.
हा, ते मी बघितलं आताच बरं का.
ते रिपोर्ट प्रॉब्लेम दाखवते, जॉईन होताना रिपोर्ट प्रॉब्लेम येते.
हा, मी आताच चेक केलं. व्हॉट्सअपवरती खूप जणांचे मेसेज आले, पण आता मी काहीच नाही करू शकत.
कंपल्सरी का?
हा? काय काय?
वॅक्सिन कंपल्सरी आहे मॅम.
हा, वॅक्सिनेशन कंपल्सरी आहे, पण अजून आम्हाला तरी काही नोटीस नाही आलेली बरं का, की आता तुम्ही स्टुडंट्सला बोलवा अशी नोटीस काय अजून आम्हाला आलेली नाहीये. जोपर्यंत आम्हाला ती नोटीस येत नाही ना, तोपर्यंत आम्ही तुम्हाला बोलवू नाही शकत. पण असे चान्सेस आहेत.
मॅम, ज्यांना 80 कम्प्लीट नाही त्यांचं काय?
त्यांचं काय ते मला पण नाही काही सांगता येणार. जशी आम्हाला वरून ऑर्डर येईल तसं आम्ही तुम्हाला सांगू. पण अजून तरी ऑर्डर
Okay, ma'am.
आलेली नाहीये. ओके, अजून बर, हे जे मी तुम्हाला व्हॉट्सअपच्या ग्रुपवरती जर्नल चे न्यूमरिकल आणि त्याचं सोल्युशन पाठवते ते तुम्ही अकाउंटच्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहिणं कंपल्सरी आहे. ओके. ऍट द टाइम ऑफ ओरल जेव्हा असेल तेव्हा मी प्रत्येकाची नोटबुक चेक करणार आहे. सो नंतर बर्डन येण्यापेक्षा तुम्ही जसं आता मी रोज लेक्चर घेते तसे एक एक प्रॉब्लेम कम्प्लीट करत चला. तसे बऱ्याच जणांनी मला ग्रुप इंडिव्हिज्युअल खूप जणांनी फॉर्म भरलेत म्हणते. किती झालं ऍडमिशन? 107. भरपूर झाले ना. सेकंड इयरचे तेवढे पण नाही झाले. हो, सेकंड इयर